Welcome to the demo of the Apptunix Rideshare application, a powerful, ready-to-launch solution designed to help you build and scale your own taxi business. In this video, we'll show you how both customers and drivers can seamlessly use the app to book rides, manage earnings, and more. So here we have the customer application where we can sign up by providing the OTP, and after that, one can enter the basic details. Similarly, for the driver application, I can also sign up by submitting the vehicle details, my driving license, and the various supporting documents that are required. After uploading these, the application will remain under approval, and once it is approved, I can make myself online. In the case of the customer application, I can easily schedule a booking by selecting the pickup address and the drop-off address. Multiple stops can also be added if required. Once that is done, I can proceed further with choosing the vehicle type that I want to go for. And by clicking on Book Now, I can continue the process. I can pay through multiple payment modes that are available, including card payments as well. And I can then proceed to confirm the payment. On the driver application, I can view the incoming request that is displayed, accept it, and then continue by updating the ride status. To start the ride, a secure PIN code is required, and once I enter that, I can begin the ride, update statuses at each step, and finally, mark the ride as completed. As a driver, I earn through the application, and as a customer, I also get the option to rate my driver and the ride itself. I can also check my orders in the history section for a detailed record of my past bookings. Similarly, in the driver application, I can check all rides, provide ratings to customers, and in Customer app, you can generate receipts and explore the recent ride history. All notifications that are sent are available for me to review as well. In the My Profile section of the Customer application, I can check the wallet balance, review all the wallet transactions, and manage my saved addresses. I can add new addresses or delete existing ones at any time. There is also a Contact Us option where I can either call or send a message for support. I can manage my saved payment details, update them whenever necessary, and also change the password for my account. Along with this, I can check the FAQs posted by the admin, view the About App section, go through the terms and conditions, and use the About Us option to see the updated CMS content. In the driver application, under the My Account section, I can view and edit all my details, update them whenever needed, and also track my earnings. Earnings are displayed with detailed graphs for better understanding. I can check the My Bookings section to see all my rides and review booking details. Notifications from the admin are also displayed here for quick updates. Additionally, I can access the Contact Us option, review the terms and conditions, and finally, use the Logout option to sign out securely. That concludes our demo of the Apptunix Taxi application. I also have the option to search for places, add and save my home details, and provide my availability timings to set when I want to be online. Once done, I can easily log out from both the customer and driver applications at any time. To see the complete taxi app demo and discover how you can launch or scale your own taxi business, click the link in the description, or book a free demo with us today and get started.